Mm, 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 mm. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Belly. I'm a certified crypto investor. I'm a long-term Bitcoin short. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. And I just bought 3 cryptocurrencies. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go check out the charts of cryptocurrency. Because all I have to do is show a chart on my live stream, and that makes me a certified technical analysis guru. So here we've got Bitcoin. Actually, I do have a Coinbase account. I use Coinbase, I get free cryptocurrency, and then I immediately sell it for worthless fiat currency, and then I transfer it to my worthless bank. I should use Celsius, but I actually have a traditional bank because I'm still kind of growing. I'm behind the times, but I'll get there eventually. Now, let's look at the chart of Bitcoin. So we can see that Bitcoin exactly a year ago, was $35,000. And we had a massive run up, okay? And it looks like it hit a resistance level at around $49,000 because you can see it hit a wall, hit a wall, hit a wall. And then it broke through resistance, and then people took profits, okay? Once again, we got another spike in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, and it ran up to a high of 60. No joke. It looks like the high of cryptocurrency was exactly $69,000. You can't make this up. So ever since it hit 69,000, Bitcoin has collapsed ever since. Now, I'm not a genius, but it seems like a Bitcoin goes in these cycles, okay? You see a massive run up, and then a massive decline, and then a massive run up, and then a massive decline, and then a massive run up. You see the analysis I'm doing here? Yeah, literally 69,000 on the dot was the top. And now Bitcoin has collapsed. Look in the past month. It's down 35%. So I decided that now is the time to buy the Bitcoin dip. Why? Well, because I just picked an arbitrary number in my head, and I said once it falls below this price point, I'm going to buy it. Now, let's go do a quick discounted cash flow of Bitcoin, okay? So here I have my trusty dusty discounted cash flow calculator. What stock was I think I was doing Intel with this. Intel's a dying chip company. Yeah, they have, high profit margin and high free cash flow margin, but it's not the future. Bitcoin is. So let's go ahead and fill this out. So trailing 12-month revenue of Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin doesn't have any revenue, so we'll put 0. Current shares outstanding. There are currently 19.1 million Bitcoins outstanding. So we'll go ahead and put that. One more. Oh, there we go. Discount rate. I want a 50% return because, crypto is very volatile, right? Revenue growth. Well, Bitcoin doesn't generate revenue, so I'm going to put a 0 here. Profit margin. Well, Bitcoin is infinitely profitable, so I'm going to put $100 million quadrillion here. Same thing with, it doesn't have free cash flow, so we'll put 0 there. But, it does have profits, right? PE, price to earnings at disposition. Well, crypto doesn't have any earnings, so we'll put 0 here. And price to free cash flow doesn't have free cash flow, so we'll put 0. And share dilution. You can never create more Bitcoins, so I'm going to put 0 there. However, people lose Bitcoins, so I'm going to put -5% because why not? Now, let's see the buy price of Bitcoin. Okay, according to my GAAP model, the generally accepted accounting principles, you can buy Bitcoin at... Why is there not a number there? That's weird. Let me go check my model again. Trailing 12-month revenue, 0. Current shares outstanding, 19.1 million. Discount rate, 50%. Obviously. Revenue growth, 0. Profit margin. Okay, if you want to be fair, it doesn't really have a profit margin. Free cash flow, 0. Why is there not a number here? I don't know. Am I making a mistake here? What's wrong? Because you can see, look at the amount of Bitcoins outstanding. In a year from now, there'll be 18 million, 17, 16, 15, 14, and boom. So I think there's something wrong with my model. I may have to double check this. I'm actually kind of embarrassed because I thought I would get a buy point of Bitcoin because I did this before and I got a buy price of $19,500. And if we go back and look at Bitcoin, it's right there. I mean, look at that, 19,681. So I'm not sure why this model is saying the buy price is zero. That's odd. Let's try Ethereum, okay? Maybe there's just something wrong with Bitcoin. Where's Ethereum? How do you even search in this thing? Where are my assets? Look at my assets, zero. Well, how do you search? Buy and sell. Let's see, Bitcoin. Let's do Ethereum. How do you freaking, here we go, see all. So Ethereum's got to be on here somewhere. Well, it's not popping up. So let's check out Stellar Lumens. Okay, apparently this is another, hot crypto. It's currently trading at 11 cents, and I can buy up to $35,000. Let's do a discounted cash flow of Stellar Lumens. Why don't we? Okay. So once again, revenue growth is zero. Current shares outstanding, 25 billion. So equals 25 times 10 to the ninth. Okay. 25 billion shares outstanding. Discount rate. So Stellar isn't as well known. So I want a 60% discount rate. Revenue growth, zero, because it doesn't have revenue. There's no profits. No free cash flow margin. PE at disposition, zero. Price of free cash flow at disposition, zero. Share dilution. I mean, I'm sure these cryptos are getting burned, because the more crypto you burn, the higher the price. So I go down and, okay, there's something broken with my model here. Let's see. I add up all of the future discounted cash flows. Why is it saying zero? I don't understand. Oh, boy. It's almost like cryptocurrency is freaking worthless trash. Yes, it is 100%. Guys, I was totally joking. I'm never going to buy crypto, okay? Here's the thing. You look at crypto, there is no bottom to crypto. There is no reason the price of Bitcoin is what it is. It can be 19,000. It can be 100,000. It could be 5 cents. It could be zero. It's all dependent on clowns trading in and out of it. So do not get suckered in. Like, you look at these stupid charts and it's like, oh, well, I mean, Bitcoin had a floor of like 3,000. So, once it hits 3,000, I'll potentially buy there. There's no floor to Bitcoin. There's no buying the dip of Bitcoin. There's no way to value it. I literally just tried to do it. And without any revenue, without any profit, without any earnings, you can't have a price to earnings. How do you value Bitcoin? Okay. How do I make this any more clear? So all these freaking clowns on YouTube. Let's go look at YouTube. YouTube, my script. Let's go look at YouTube. Bitcoin buy price. Let's see what these clowns are saying. See, I'm sorry. Why I'm buying more Bitcoin. Last chance to buy Bitcoin below 20K. So for some reason, Bitcoin is going to be above 20K. Last chance to buy below 20K. I'll buy. Okay, here's Mark Cuban. I'll buy Bitcoin and Ethereum again at this price. What did you do, Mark? How did you calculate the intrinsic value of Bitcoin and Ethereum? I don't understand. This is an ideal entry point to buy Bitcoin. MicroStrategy CEO. How to know when to buy Bitcoin. Heresy Financial. You are a heretic. You're a degenerate. Shiba Inu. Too late to buy Bitcoin. Elon Musk. A strong collapse in the prices of crypto. Like, this is a freaking joke, right? Oh, look at this. Chicken Nutsack. Who made that video? So hopefully I, taught you something here. There's no bottom to Bitcoin. I see all these predictions by YouTubers. I'm buying it 10,000. I think it's going to 5,000. I think it's going to 6,000. You don't know, you freaking losers. It's impossible to know where this crap is going to go. All right, let's do some comments. I'm so tired of crypto. Like, I hate talking about it. It's so lame. It's so stupid. It's so boring. But people are making so much money grifting you clowns. They sell you courses. You buy the courses because you're a bunch of dorks, and then you lose all your money. Bitcoin price target for 2022. $16,245.68. I'm all in at 18.5K last night. Yo-do. YOLO. You only live once. Yo-do. You only die once? That's true, I guess. Do you think Bitcoin will go to zero after crypto collapses? I don't think Bitcoin will go to zero. Now, am I saying that because that's an arbitrary thing? It could go to zero because it has no value. Do I think it's going to go to zero? No. There's always going to be like this lower level of society that gets exploited by rich, smart millionaires who are entrepreneurs like Chicken Genius who trade options like losers. They're always going to exploit the poorest people of society and convince them to buy this trash. Go look at Lazy Jay-Z and Nutsack Jack Dorsey. They're teaching people in the projects about Bitcoin. So there's always going to be this like disgusting, scammy market for crypto where the poorest members of society are going to buy this because it gives them the hope that they can get out of poverty. There's always going to be exploitation. So I don't think Bitcoin is going to go to zero because there will always be people buying and selling it. Mostly scammers buying it, telling their fans who are mostly poor, not well off financially and not educated financially, to buy it. So no, I don't think it's going to zero. Who does this guy think he is? Susie Orman. Oh my God. I made a video about Susie. I like Susie. I did like Susie. She's devolved. This financial guru has devolved to doing technical analysis of Bitcoin. I'm not joking. Go look at her Facebook page. Her last couple of posts are like Bitcoin breaking through resistance levels. What are you doing? You're a disappointment. Like, holy crap, man. Bitcoin will fly again. Why? Tell me why. I don't think Bitcoin will collapse as it will be one of the top cryptos that survives. Oh, I'm sure some cryptos will always be there. Like I said, you got plenty of scammers and you got plenty of financially illiterate people that get hoodwinked into 10x. Oh, I don't have to get a skill or work my way out of poverty. I can just buy crypto, bro, because Michael Saylor told me to. Gold doesn't have cash flows. By your logic, gold is worthless, and yet 80% of your portfolio is gold. Cole, don't tell people that, okay? Please, you're divulging my secrets. I'm a secret gold shill. That's why I hate on Bitcoin. I'm just like Peter Schiff, you know. I'm like, what I do is I actually understand what I'm doing, but what I do is I say gold's a great investment, and I'm conveniently there to, you know, help you invest with gold with my crappy gold mutual fund that charges high fees. And you're always texting me the dollar is worthless because it's not backed by gold. I need to buy more gold. Cole, stop telling people this. You can't divulge my secrets. I thought we had an agreement here not to screw each other over. Strongman told me not to buy Bitcoin when it was 5 cents, and that's why he's still working and I'm retired. Just buy crypto index funds, so they'll always buy the winners. That's true. If you're gonna buy crypto, I mean, I guess an index fund would be the way to do it. And there actually is a crypto index. I think it's called like Bitwise or something. I mean, I think it's trash, but whatever. Lots of digital currency will fail to be the reason that governments will use to add compliance. Oh, yeah. Regulation is coming, baby. You know, like the Democrats, you know, they're supposed to care about poor people, apparently. What are they doing about cryptocurrency? They're letting the poorest members of society get exploited by total scum like Lazy Jay-Z and Nutsack Jack Dorsey. If you had bought VCC, Vanguard Total Crypto, you would have $1 billion. That's true, man. What is the expense ratio on that? Let's see. Okay. Hey, Strongman, when are you getting that green screen of Jeremy's garage? So it's a long story. I'm going to get the green screen. I canceled the order, but I'm going to get it. But I don't want to go into details about why. At least not this. I knew this had to be a troll. Yeah, I'm never buying cryptocurrency. If y'all don't know me well enough by now, of course I'm not buying cryptocurrency. Bitcoin will never go to zero. I agree. There's always going to be, you know, clowns trading it because why not? Bitcoin had $1 trillion market cap. It really can't go to zero at this point. It can't go to zero, but it could go down enormously. Okay. There's no dip buying of cryptocurrency. You can't buy the dip. I literally just showed you with my discounted cash flow model that there's no cash flows. How do you value it? Your channel is going to be huge if people find you. Your humor is gold. That's the thing. People don't find me. People watch my channel and they don't subscribe, which is fine because apparently I provide no value. I'm just a guy that makes fun of people that I'm jealous of. Like Chicken Genius. I wish I was retired and, told people to put all their money into Tesla and gamble on options. That would make me a real winner. If I'm down 80%, it must be just that I didn't pay enough for the right course. That's true. I'm here I am teaching accounting seminars and tutoring and working a job. I could just start a freaking crypto course, draw some stupid lines on a chart and charge $500 and be retired. Susie has always been a grifter. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I liked her, but I think she's like fallen so far that she's now doing technical analysis. Maybe it's a facial hair, but Charlamagne looks like a Jeremy at some angles. It's the hat, dude. It's the hat. Susie says you need $10 million to retire. Okay. Well, I disagree with that. I guess maybe that's why she's pumping Bitcoin because, that's how you become a 10 millionaire. I understand what you're saying and agree a lot, but governments want digital. Okay, well, they can create their own currency. And I have digital currency. I get paid through PayPal. I buy stuff with my card. Why do I need digital cryptocurrency? Or a government can provide one to me, and it's not wildly fluctuating, unregulated scam trash. They cannot and don't want to get rid of it. Many crypto will die, but you will have the top that live. Okay, whatever. When there's no fundamental technicals, the only thing you can look at. Bitcoin is a fundamental theory to replace cash. As long as enough trust, there's no trust in cryptocurrency. Okay, wait till all these brokerages collapse. I can't wait for the day when freaking Coinbase folds under. Oh, it's profitable, strong man. Yeah, because people were trading stupid cryptocurrencies during a clown market. Let's see. Very, very true. I 100% agree with that. I will buy Bitcoin at $100 a coin. Why $100? It could drop from $100 to $10, right? That would be a 90% loss. But what's going to stop it from dropping? Nobody can give me a solid answer. Maybe I'm just stupid. Adult human female. Ooh, hi. Any opinions on Dave Ramsey? Well, number one, he's older than me. So he knows a lot more than me. And that's all I'll say about Dave Ramsey. I can't say his name because every time I do a video about him, my video is demonetized. You hate on Chicken Genius because you are a soy boy. That's true. That's the only reason I dislike Chicken Genius. Dogecoin Millionaire is basically break even. Wait till he's like massively in the red. I am going to freaking annihilate him. I'm going to make like 10 videos back to back just mocking him, calling him a freaking loser like he is. Debate echoes from above. He admits he doesn't understand crypto and that it won't be used as a currency, but still pumps Bitcoin in it. He thinks it will drop to 10K, like you said, no reason. I mean, I'll debate anybody. That's fine. Coinbase going down is probably marking the bottom. We have 4-year cycles. Okay. So apparently Coinbase is, so that's how you value crypto is when Coinbase goes out of business. Where are you going to buy crypto if Coinbase goes out of business? I guess he's in the red if you include all the buying he did at higher prices. He probably did. The only reason that the Dogecoin Millionaire is even like alive right now and not starving to death is because he's getting paid by crypto pump and dump scammers to talk about their stupid scam coins. That guy is disgusting. He's a total disgusting turd. And anybody that associates with him should be ashamed of themselves. I don't like that guy. Isn't this a mercy? He changes thumbnail. That ain't you. Isn't this a mercy rally for Father's Day so they don't feel bad? Maybe. I don't know. Adult human female. What Jeremy stocks have the most chance to go bankrupt? Looking for something to short. Well, I would say all of them, but I would not short because that's highly risky and you could lose all your money. This is me. Yeah, I'm sure. The Dogecoin Millionaire is literally disgusting because he hasn't showered in 4 years. I mean, he looks like he hasn't showered in 4 years. Uh-oh, I'm getting a message on my phone. Is this my wife? Oh, my daughter is awake. That means that I have to go grab her because my wife is taking a much-needed nap. So that will be the conclusion of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my intrinsic valuation of Bitcoin, stellar lumens, whatever that is. And yeah, so I did not buy any crypto. This was a troll stream. This was a complete joke. I will never buy crypto. There's no bottom to crypto. It's fundamentally worthless. You can't time crypto. It's trash. You're trash. And have a wonderful day. Cheers.